US30 and US100 has seen the lows and trying to bounce back. 29,750 very strong support, and then US100 11 to 40 levels. Any drop below 29 I will say 650 600, and any drop below 11 200 is a level to go short on US100 and US30. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take, where to whether to go long, whether to go short, and what are the targets, everything we gonna see with the help of indicators and candlestick charts. And first, we'll look into NASDAQ, followed with Dow Jones, and at the end of every analysis, I'll give you the trading levels. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and the next analysis for both the indices will be up just before the US cashes, and I hope that will help you also in your trading decisions. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. If you are into gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas, you can watch those analysis as well, besides FTSE 100, Germany, and Nifty 50. So yes, let's start the day with NASDAQ 100 first. See NASDAQ 100 on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can clearly see higher highs are being seen. Let me show you here. On the hourly charts, higher highs are seen. On the hourly charts, higher lows are seen. The support there is 11 to 40, which is also the 20 period moving average, is going to remain strong. Once it drops below 11 to 40, you can go short, else it is going to achieve the higher highs. The next target should be at around 11,440, and beyond that we may see it flying on the upside. How high it can go, we will try to see from the other charts. Now, if you look at the oscillator, is trading on the red side of it, and it is trying to converge, however it is trading in the greener zone. Similarly, if you look at the directional movement, trying to trade and converge on the bullish side. MACD is something which is still green, and it is trying to trade flat with little bullishness. RSI looking upwards. Stochastic is also looking upwards from here. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it is trying to reverse back a bit on the upside. Now let me show you what it is trying to do. See, on the 2-hour charts, you will find that it is trying to trade within this channel there. Higher highs, higher lows are seen, and couple of breakouts are also expected. So yes, below 11 to 40, 11 to 100 is the next support level. Till the time it trades above 11 to 40, the target is towards 11,440 levels, and once it breaks past 11,440, I'll expect 11,550 600, and beyond that it will definitely fly. Now see, this is the important zone at 11,400 440. If it breaks and sustains about, definitely more bullishness can be expected. The oscillator trying to cross over for a bullish move. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is green, and it is trying to trade with wide divergence. RSI looking upwards. Stochastic is looking downwards. It has seen the high, it appears. Similarly, now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trading exactly at the middle of the Bollinger Bands there. Now look at this, it is trying to rise from here, and on the upside the resistance there from 11,440 and 11,500 levels are going to be strong, and if it trades above, we may see it hitting 11,600 levels. So be watchful of this. 11,400 first target, and beyond 11,400 we can see it rising more till towards 11,440 500 levels. At the same time, the support there at 11,240 is very strong. The oscillator there trying to reverse and cross over on the buy side. The MACD directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to trade in green. It is still bullish. The RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, the stochastic is near to top there, and it is near to overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see, uh, if you look at these two candles here, see this candle, it has achieved the highs there, and this candle, it has achieved the lows there also. So precisely on the downside, 11 to 100 levels, 11 to 40 levels should provide a very strong support, and on the upside 11 420 440 levels should provide a resistance. If you are a safe trader, try to refrain from trading in between 11 to 40 11 420 zone. It can try to give you good swings in between these levels before it tries to take a direction. Below 11 to 40, you can go short for 11 to 100, and below 11 to 100, definitely there is going to be further fall, which will take it towards 11,100, 10,950 and 10,800 levels. On the upside, once it trades beyond 11,440, you can expect 11,500, 11,550, 600. If these three are taken, it is definitely going to hit 11,800 plus levels. So this is what we can see on the 4-hour charts, and whether, let's have a look if the daily charts are reflective of anything else, or it is also of the same opinion. Let's have a look. See, the candle opened above, and it has already seen the high at 11,400. Possibly once it trades beyond 11,400, we can see another green candle which may try to take it towards 11,500 550 zone, and if it trades beyond 11,600, definitely there could be further rise till towards 11,800 plus levels. So this is also on the weekly chart. Similarly, if you look at the indicators, oscillator trading below the in the negative side, trying to complete the greener cycle. Directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to converge, RSI looking flat, and stochastic looking upwards. Considering this, probably it appears once it trades beyond 11,420, go long, stay long on NASDAQ 100. One can expect 11,550, 600, then 11,800 levels, and in fact 11,1200 cannot be denied. Till the time it trades between 11,240 and 11,400 levels, we have to be cautious there while taking our position. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Now let's have a look at US30 also. Now look at the hourly charts for US30. Lower highs are consistently seen. Higher lows are also seen. 29,750, very strong support levels it is trying to get, and then 30,050. If it breaks beyond 30,050, yes, you can go long for 3,100, 3,200. These two levels are taken, then it is going to go fly for 3,500, 3,600 levels. So yes, be watchful in between 29,750 and 3,200 levels. This is one observation. Directional movement is bearish here. Oscillator, they are trading in red. There is further little bearishness. It reflects. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI looking upwards, and stochastic is also looking upwards, indicative of a little bullishness there, as it has already seen the lows. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you will find couple of observations to make. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, consistently see there is a resistance at 30,000 levels. Also, if you look at this candle, it shows that the bulls are trying to pull it back on the upside. Once it breaks past 30,050, you can go long for 3,100, 3,200, and then beyond that we can see a sharper rise. Till the time, as I said, see this is also the bottom of the bands there, and which is given it is stronger support at 29,750. If it trades below 29,750, go short there. The awesome oscillator is still trading on the negative side of it, but trying to complete with the greener candles. Directional movement is bearish, white divergent. MACD is trading in the bullish zone. RSI trading flat. Stochastic is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will find with the support at 29,750, it is trying to rise. However, if you look at this, if you look at the candles there, still there is a resistance at 30,050. Only if it trades beyond 30,050, I will recommend you to go long, else 29,600 is certain it can try to drop there. So in between 29,600 and 30,200, we should refrain, we should try to trade cautiously. See the resistance there at 3150 and 3,200 is strong. Beyond that, we may see it flying for 3,400, 3,600 zone. The oscillator, they are trading in the red side but trying to trade green, and yes, the directional movement is bearish. The MACD is in greener side, it is trading with the divergence. RSI looking upwards. Similarly, stochastic trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, indicative that we have to be cautious a little till towards 30,050 and 3,100. Beyond this, it is going to fly for 3,200, 3,400, 3,600 levels on the downside. Once it drops below 29,800, you can go short. So till 29,750, there are supports there on the downside. Oscillator, they are trading in the negative side but trying to give you greener candles. The directional movement is bearish here. The MACD is trying to diverge here. The RSI is trading flat. The stochastic is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, there is a likely possibility for it to reverse, as it has already shown the tail there. Probably it can give you the opposite side of it too. And yes, I'll be watchful of 3,500, and on the downside 29,750 is definitely there. So 3,500 levels can be seen, and in fact beyond that we may see it hitting 3,600, 800 zone. If it sustains above 30,050 levels, stay long, and then 3,200 is the first target. 3,400, 3,500, 600 levels can again be seen. Below 29,750, go short for 29,600, and then below that we may see a good fall. On the oscillator there, it is achieved the high. Probably we may see greener candles from here. The directional movement is white divergent and bearish. The MACD is also parallel and divergent. It may try to converge from here, giving us the greener candles. RSI on the daily charts is oversold and hence a bounce back can be expected. Similarly, stochastic is also, slope is very minimal there, that is to be cautious. Only a strong reversal sharp green candle can give it a bullish slope there. So yes, as I said, only long entry beyond 30050, where one can expect 180, 3150, 3200 levels, and if it breaks past 3400 is certain, then 3600 is also certain if it continues to trade in this zone. At the same time, breaking below 29800, yes, you can go short for 29750, and then below that we can expect a sharper drop for 29600 levels, and below that it can continue to fall. Take your positions accordingly and trade accordingly. Do not overtrade. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and keep closing your trades. Whenever you achieve a certain milestone, keep closing partially or keep closing fully and re-enter. And yes, the next trade should have the less, the risk should be less than the profits gain, and hence you can accordingly increase your wealth out there. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest update. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.